ठीक है, आपको ये हमने चार्ट दिया है, वो चार्ट को एक बार आपको एक्सप्लेन करना चाहता है कि एल्प्राजोलम इज बिकमिंग अ हेडेक फॉर द सोसाइटी इन तेलंगाना। इसको पक्का हमारे को रूट आउट करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज इट्स अ हार्ड ड्रग, एज हार्ड एज कोकेन। तो इसमें आप पहले देखेंगे कि DRI वालों ने इस साल के अंदर दे कॉट 31.42 kgs ऑफ एल्प्राजोलम worth 3.14 crores in Vattem village of Bijnapandi Mandal. Okay, so this you can, link is also provided, you can go to the link and see this. Some fortnight back, TS NAB along with the Jinnaram police of Sangareddy district, we were able to unearth a rogue factory and recovered 14 kgs of nordazepam. It's the chemical which is just before you form alprazolam. So this is 14 kg, and Muhammad Yunus alias Jakka Raju is a repeat offender. Okay, so this is second case I am bringing to the notice of the people of Telangana. Third case is recently, yesterday only we caught in Suraram PS, wherein from one Narendra and Satish Gaud, we have recovered 10 kgs of alprazolam. This 10 kgs of alprazolam is from a batch of 70 kgs of alprazolam which is produced in the factory of Kiran Kumar MD, Parmeshwara Chemicals, Vijayawada, and this factory was taken on 5 days lease, 4 lakh rupees lease amount per day for 20 lakhs, in which Lingaya God, he has manufactured almost 70 kgs of alprazolam. So, okay, so these things which are shown in blue were the recent arrests of TS NAB regarding alprazolam. Another lead which is given is an unknown source, and XXSs are removed and reinstated police constable. We have come to know through the Swittle whom we arrested that there is a removed constable who was removed from service, but again subsequently he was reinstated into service, and he supplied 8 kgs of alprazolam to Vittal. So this is another lead that is coming. Thirdly, this is the fourth lead which is coming, is there was one Bhatia. He used to send alprazolam to Telangana through courier. And recently we got information that there is one more XXX. We know his name, but we have not mentioned it here. He has sent 34 kgs of alprazolam to Hyderabad. Out of this, 7 kgs we could recover in the first go, and a case is registered against Narsimha Gaud in Gachibowli PS. Out of that 34 kgs we were able to recover 7. 17 kgs went to people in Shadnagar, and 10 kgs went to one Ramesh, excise PC of Kamareddy. So now I have brought 2 cases in which they are not taking mamuls, but they are entering into this illegal trade, and they are people like this. I think at all levels maybe people are there who are closing their eyes or not taking pakka strong action. So my request to all the people in the uniformed service and also other departments, that please help us to control this illegal trade of alprazolam. And this alprazolam is very addictive, and you develop dependence on alprazolam very fast. If you talk to the family members of the people who are addicted to alprazolam, you will know what agony it brings to that family members. So I would have given a press note, but still on this thing I have come all the way to see that if my talking maybe will able to whatever that Honorable CM Sir and the government wants from TS NAB and all the other departments, we will be able to achieve our objective. So thank you very much. Merry Christmas to you and a Happy New Year without drugs to all of you. Thank you.